My name is Samantha Erickson, and this is my project for Civil Engineering 2010. For my project, I chose to do two individual ramps, one on the upper hill and one on the lower, much steeper hill, both of which are below the 5% grade for ADA compliance. In using two ramps instead of one, it allows for all three of the pedestrian walkways to remain intact. However, 3 of the 4 staircases would have to be demolished, and 2 of the lower trees would have to be removed. Of course, before building the ramps, you would have to check below ground to find sewer lines to make sure construction would not interfere with them. Also, you can see that there are many cuts that would be needed to build the new ramps and not as much filling. In terms of storm management, I decided to focus on the already soiled upper area. I would want to plant indigenous plants that would decrease the runoff coefficient. Something as simple as creating a small lawn would decrease the runoff coefficient from numbers around 0.7 to 0.3. Right now, there are 4 main catchment areas. The 2 largest flow from the upper level all the way down to the lower levels. If the upper level's runoff is decreased, then it would quickly decrease the lower level's water catchment. The least intrusive way to decrease the runoff is to plant plants, specifically ferns or just grass in general. This is also the more aesthetically pleasing option. In terms of the lower area, with a lower upper coefficient, the lower area will naturally decrease as well. If needed, plants can also be planted around the ramp that would be constructed. This would also decrease the amount of water that would flow along the ramp down to the lower walkway. Also, this would be more aesthetically pleasing instead of just having a random ramp. I hope you enjoyed my project. Thanks for listening,